Welcome back to QA Vault. In this video, let's understand what black box testing is, explore its types. In black box testing, we test the software just like a user. We don't look at the code, we only focus on inputs, outputs, and expected behavior. These are the common names or terms used to represent black box testing in the QA world. Behavioral testing, input-output testing, data-driven testing, closed box testing, opaque box testing, external testing. Black box testing ensures that the software behaves correctly by validating its functionality, inputs and outputs without looking at the internal code. Black box testing is typically performed by QA testers, business testers, and sometimes end users during user acceptance testing, UAT, since it focuses on functionality rather than code. Black box testing is mainly divided into functional and non-functional types. We'll briefly see each and then go deeper in upcoming videos. Functional testing ensures the system works according to the requirements. It includes functionality tests, integration checks, system-level testing, smoke tests, and regression testing. Non-functional testing focuses on how well the system behaves. It covers usability, compatibility, performance, localization, and ad hoc testing. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into each functional and non-functional test type. Stay tuned to QA Vault for more clear and practical explanations. Thanks for watching.